Hello, and welcome to Art Snacks. Today we're going to draw an owl. And to draw this owl, we're going to start with an outline. Okay, there's the sort of outline. Kind of looks like it could be a cat or a dog or something. But it's going to be an owl. And we're going to come in from what looks like the ears, the really feathers and tufts in this particular owl. And we're going to sort of identify some areas the face will be divided up into. Now, one thing about an owl, they have big eyes. And they have big, massive pupils. And when they are opened up, they can take in a lot of light, even when it's dark outside. This is how they can see that mouse running along the forest floor, or that rabbit running along in the dark grass. They have great vision. The feathers, everything is about feathers. The feathers kind of grow, radiate out from their eyes. Up above here, we have these sort of structures. We'll do some shading up here to sort of make this all look more natural. Well, the owl has an attitude. I can give him that so far just with the eyes. We need just a little more. So let's go ahead and give him a beak. The beak is hard and bony and we'll make it black. Then it's sort of surrounded by these tufts of feathers. Both sides. Okay. Around the outside here, there's sort of dark area, medium, medium. I'm going to go and sort of identify where the head leaves off and the body starts. And he's got his wing right here, so we'll make the wing there. If we want to sort of make some sort of feathery shapes here, these are the shorter little strokes of shading on his tummy. These are sort of longer. And the lines start to go longer as they go down his back. We can sort of work our shading into these shapes. I'm just going to go over all that with some shading. Okay. Now let's make something that makes him stand out. Let's say there's a branch back here. And that branch goes right on by. And what happens with that branch is if I make that branch dark, what does it do for the owl? Sort of contrasts the owl, makes the owl stand out. So down here I can do the same thing. And if I want the owl to stand out more, we can have some shapes here like leaves on a tree. The cool thing is they can be dark and light, depends on how you want to do them. It's totally up to you. So that's a leaf. Kind of makes its way into the picture. Branch, another leaf. Maybe it's nighttime and the owl goes out to hunt. Maybe this big circle here is the moon, not the sun. Because the owl is nocturnal. What does nocturnal mean? Nocturnal means what? It's up and around when? Daytime or nighttime? Nighttime, right? So this is an animal that's up and awake, and most of us are asleep. Problem is that the cute little juicy mice down on the forest floor, they're nocturnal too. Maybe they should think about sleeping, being awake during the day. See you next time.